Assalamu alaikum. Today I am share with my parcel from Daraz. It's I ordered it 7 days ago, and today I picked it nearest Daraz office. So let's open it. Oh, I see. This product is maybe kitchen timer that I ordered. Kitchen timer. Basically, it is a kitchen to count any dishes for exact time. And I ordered is to my study count, to how effectively and consistently I study for better output. I ordered from Daraz from DUETCSE BDT. Let's open it. Five best tips for study is time to time and consistently study prior to see a timer. Oh, it's looking very gorgeous. See, okay. Magnet. Most probably it was no battery. I appreciate it. I should to buy a battery from nearest market. I forget it. The button was very accurate, and it was working very smoothly. Thank you so much, and keep prayer for me. Keep your prayer keep your prayer and count me also. That's all about this day. Okay, Allah Hafiz.